Hello, my name's Larry Burkholder, Training Manager, Digger Specialties, manufacturer of the Westbury aluminum railing system. In this video, we're going to talk about our drink rail adapter. It's on top of our top rail here. These are available in 74 and 98-inch lengths. They're packaged with a panhead screw to attach this drink rail to our top rail, so you are committed, and then a flathead screw to come up from the bottom to attach whatever brand of deck board that you prefer. Usually what's down on the deck is what they use for the drink rail. Every Westbury model has the same shaped top rail, therefore our drink rail will work with all 18 Westbury models. We have the drink rail on top of our top rail. We're going to demonstrate an installation with a through post on one end and a crossover post on the other end. On the crossover post, your drink rail, your aluminum portion, is going to stop and start. And oh, by the way, this drink rail is available in all 12 Westbury colors, so it can be color matched. So we're going to cut this drink rail right here at the crossover, and I'm simply going to mark that so we can cut this drink rail down to the correct length. A few things that I'd like to point out. This is a cut-off piece of my drink rail, and you will notice we provide the holes pre-drilled. This is where they're on alternating side. This is where the drink rail is going to attach directly to the Westbury top rail. Then we also tell you how often to attach the deck board to our drink rail, and we have those holes designated as well. This is a powder coating hang hole. This is how the part is hung on the line during powder coating process and is meaningless in the installation. We're now ready to install the drink rail directly onto the Westbury top rail. The holes are alternating. I have the first screw in place. The holes are pre-drilled. These are self-tappers, and we're just simply going to go down the line here and attach this to the Westbury top rail. We are now ready to position our deck board on top of our drink rail. It's simply going to fit right on top. And I'm not going to do the actual install, but we would be coming up with from the bottom with the screws provided, attaching the deck board to our aluminum drink rail. This creates a nice seamless look. There's no space where you can see some air. Some of the other brands, you see open space between the deck board and the top rail. I want to discuss the crossover. If this would be up against the home, there is a top rail end cap, and you can see we're just using a short piece of top rail here, and it can end right here up against the home. You'd use a short piece of drink rail as well. If this would be a corner crossover, you of course would have your drink rail coming in this direction, and on the aluminum portion of the Westbury drink rail, you would need to nip the inside corners 3/16 of an inch on both aluminum drink rails. And then of course for the deck board on top, you would put your miter cut in place. Now we'll discuss a few things on the other end, and you'll notice that we've used a 37-inch crossover post with the beverage rail, and this isn't exactly the correct look that we're going for. If you want to end with the 2-inch post, you would purchase a 42-inch post or a taller post, and you would cut it to the correct length based on the thickness of your deck board. Your other option would be, specifically if you were doing a corner crossover, the option of putting a wood block inside the post, attaching your hardware through the aluminum and into the wood block, and then putting your miter cut on the deck board, and it creates a nicer miter because you can screw down through your deck board into the wood block inside the post, and then use a typical deck board plug to hide those two screws holding your miter corners in place. So various different options and various different things you can do with the Westbury drink rail adapter kit. Again, this will work on all 18 models of the Westbury aluminum railing system. Thank you for watching this drink rail video, and have a great day.